Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana update, and I want to talk about Solana, but quickly, if you guys don't find me on YouTube, you can write Adam Coins, and very soon I'm going to be on the share stream as well. And share stream is a platform where you can actually see many other different traders and different teachers who can teach you how to invest into the trading business. And yeah, it's a financial, fintech startup right there. And they're hardworking people, so do check out share stream. I'm gonna be there taking live streams in the near future as well. And yeah, so talking about Solana in here very quickly, I'm gonna dive into Sol, maybe shift to the 1 hour time frame here. And a pattern is always logical unless it is abandoned. Now listen, people say, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Well, here's your answer. This is your inverse head and shoulder, right? Just like that. You break out of it, you come for a retest. You bounce off the retest, you're good to go towards the upside. It's a number of probability and statistics, okay? No one is crystal clear what can happen in the future. And look at this. This is how you just trade, okay? When you lose support, when you lose the support, I'm gonna zoom in here and I'm gonna talk this one. I'm giving you a logical explanation here. We're not God, we're not anything, no need to troll anyone. But look, you came here, you find support, you tried to break from the support, but you failed the support, you went up again. You could have sold in here, okay? Because when you break down of the support, you come for the retest, you fail the retest, this is where you sell and you wait for a downtrend to continue. And I do think Solana might go a little bit down because Bitcoin is starting to look a little bit weird, okay? I'm gonna dive into Bitcoin once again here, and there are some candlesticks playing out maybe on the 4 hour time frame in my opinion, and this is a little bit bearish. Do you see that this is an evening, is it an evening star? Yes, I guess it's an evening star, and it's a bearish pattern. I do think it's going to go down, and the reason why Bitcoin can go down is because we already broke a resistance here. And if you guys follow the channel as well, so you can see that you had a massive level of resistance in this area, and it makes sense to go up and come down. So I do expect Bitcoin to come nearly 63,000 or 64,000 just to backtest things and continue to move towards the upside. So if Bitcoin does correct a little bit, so do expect that Solana as well can come a little bit down, maybe come back down to 230 and find support, because you have to be careful here. I'm not saying to sell your coins on the long term. We are still on a journey to $314 nonetheless. So if you want to buy more, I would like to give you an idea. What I will do is, I'm not going to sell anything anyway. I'm not going to sell anything, okay? If you want to do the same, do the same, but I'm just going to hold it. If it goes down, yeah, I'm going to buy more, okay? I'm going to buy more because I do know it's going to come back, and I'm going to do dollar cost averaging, and that's what's going to work well for me, okay? So it's not clear just yet if we're going to go really down, or we can actually even pick up here. You never know the movements. You can just start picking, go back from there, because look, we are moving away, up down. From here you can continue towards the upside, but you have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Just as I said, if Bitcoin goes down, this is going to go down. Simple, okay? Bitcoin is the granddaddy of everyone else, okay? And it drags everyone else. That's the sad reality, or maybe just a good reality. If you want some discounts, you can actually get the discounts down here. And for the long-term view, guys, I still am bullish until 314 and beyond, okay? And beyond to 400 and 700 as well, okay? But it's gonna take time. You have to keep a strong hand. Don't be shaken out. If you see a small correction, it's absolutely healthy, because trust me, when you see these red candles a little bit, when they fall down, they go even much more with a great pace. They move towards the upside, and I don't think it's something to really be bothered about, even if it comes down here, okay? It can take some few days, create a little bit of disturbance right there, then continue towards the upside, but it's not still confirmed just yet. And I do think we're finding support, small support here. I'm gonna draw this level of support. Maybe if we break out of it, then I'm gonna say we can go to $230. I'm gonna show you this level of support here. just like that, because we're having some few influence there, a touch here, one touch here, and a few touch right there, because we just came down, bounced from here, and we are looking to hold the support there. Could we continue? You never know. But here's the thing: if you break out of this back test and fail, then you're likely gonna come down there. Okay, you're likely gonna come down there. And once again, it's not a bad thing to come down here. These are just corrections in a bull market, just to continue towards the upside. Okay, the correction is, the bigger the next move is going to be. Okay, so that's Solana update for you. Do keep in mind to go and check Bitcoin, and I do think it's going to correct, and trade accordingly, and how you see accordingly. If it comes down, my take is not a financial advice. I'm not selling anything. I'm just going to buy more here and hold until we go towards the upside. Okay, so that's it for Solana update today. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.